High efficiency meets high style with the Ruud RUTG series high efficiency non-condensing tankless gas water heater. Get the same continuous flow of hot water and high performance in a lighter, more compact, and modern unit. Plus, it's full of built-in features to make setup and service even faster. When a hot water faucet opens, cold water enters the unit and passes through the flow sensor, which sends a signal to the control board. The control board determines the required heat based on the inlet water temperature and water flow rate. Next, the gas valve opens, the igniter sparks, and the control board allows gas to flow to as few or as many burners as are necessary to heat the water. Water then flows through the copper heat exchanger, where it is heated continuously through the pipe path before exiting. As the now heated water exits the unit, the control board monitors the outlet temperature. Constant adjustments are made to modulate the level of heat, the amount of water flow, and the amount of cold water that is bypassed, ensuring that the outlet temperature is as close to the set point as possible. Best of all, the RUTG was designed with our exclusive hot start programming, which keeps the water heater activated for 5 minutes after the faucet turns off to minimize cold water bursts in frequent on-off situations like doing the dishes. And the RUTG was designed with tankless replacements in mind. It features universal venting options for easy retrofit, as well as the industry's leading 43-foot vent run and best half-inch side-to-side and 0 front and rear clearance requirement, meaning peace of mind when installing in a closet. Homeowners love features like Econet Wi-Fi in select models, which gives them total control. And in the unlikely event of a water leak, the integrated Leak Guard leak detection and prevention system in indoor models detects and alerts homeowners to any internal leak and stops the flow of water, all in a matter of seconds. The Ruud RUTG series delivers proven performance in a new modern design.